guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a microwave effect for edits like this in After Effects. This effect is quite easy to make, so let's get started. Alright, the first thing you need to do is prepare your clips. Here, I have already prepared my clips, and you can see that I added face tracking to all of them. If you face track your clips like I do, first you need to change your layers to compound clips. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus C, and then copy these settings. To create this microwave effect, we need to use time remapping. To enable time remapping, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T. Or you can right-click on the layer, go to Time, and select Time Remapping. Now we have two keyframes here, a start and an end. Next, go to the middle of the layer and create a keyframe in the middle like this. Then, go to the last key and remove it. Copy the first keyframe and paste it at the end like this. Now select all these keyframes and ease them by pressing F9. Then go to the graph editor and adjust the graph like this. Alright, the first one is done. You need to do the same for the other clips, so I'll do it like this. Next, we need to add the zoom effect. First, create an adjustment layer. Then add the S-Blur Mo Curves effect to this layer. In the effect settings, change the warp X and Y to reflect. Then, go to the start and create a keyframe for Z-Dist with the value 1. Next, go to the end and create another keyframe with the same value. Select all these keyframes and ease them by pressing F9. Then go to the graph editor and adjust the graph like this. Then let's apply this zoom effect to the other clips. Simply duplicate this adjustment layer and apply it to your other clips, like this. Next, let's add RSMB effect. Select all these layers and change them to a compound clip. Then apply RSMB. Adjust the blur amount to 1.4 and set the motion sensitivity to 100. And that's it. So guys, that's how we can create a cool microwave effect for edits in After Effects. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like on this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.